Till now we have seen how we write the chemical formulae of compounds having polyatomic ions and also having a metal and non-metal combination. Now let us talk about the last rule that is governed by the valencies of the participating atoms. Yes, valency of any atom is the number of electrons that can be given, taken or shared between the atoms. In short, the combining capacity of the atom is called valency. So the third rule says that according to the valencies, the net charge on a complete molecule must be balanced. And how do we understand this? Let's take a simple example of a water molecule H2O. What are the valencies of each? The valency of oxygen is 2, but that of hydrogen is 1. We know how a water molecule is formed. One atom of oxygen requires 2 hydrogen atoms to share electrons. If you look at the structure of the water molecule, we find that the electrons are shared between the atoms. That means one electron from oxygen will revolve in the orbit of hydrogen for one round. And then the single electron of hydrogen will be shared by revolving in the last orbit of oxygen atom. The same story is seen on the other side with the second hydrogen atom. That means in the complete molecule of water, both hydrogen atoms get one chance to complete the stable electronic configuration. In the second round, oxygen gets a chance to complete its octet. Now imagine if we remove one hydrogen atom from this unit. As we can see, hydrogen gets 2 electrons for attaining the stable state. However, when it comes to oxygen, the story is different. Only 1 electron from hydrogen on entering the orbit of oxygen makes 7 electrons in the last shell. This indicates 2 things. One is that oxygen still needs 1 more electron to complete its octet. Second, the oxygen atom has 1 extra electron compared to its regular electronic configuration. Usually there are 6 electrons present in the outermost shell of oxygen, but now it's 7 electrons. That gives the atom a negative charge. That is the reason why if one hydrogen atom is removed from the water molecule, we get a negative charge on the hydroxyl unit. Also, the capacity of the unit to accept 1 electron indicates that it's not stable and can have bond formation to attain stability. That means in order to have a stable water molecule and balance the charges on it, it's mandatory to have 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. Only then the net charge on the molecule becomes 0. This is how the third rule helps us in framing the chemical formulae of compounds based on valency. In the next lesson, let's write a few chemical formulae for some known compounds using all the 3 rules.